Hi guys, so for this video I'm using bulky yarn in size 7 and knitting needles in size 12 millimeters. So I'll start by leaving a medium sized tail and then I will make a slip knot, and now I'll cast on 13 stitches. This slip knot already counts as one stitch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You can cast on any way you know how, it's totally fine. So now for row 1 I'll turn my work around. Then I will start by purling 1 stitch. I will knit 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Purl 1 stitch, then knit 3 stitches. Then I purl 1 stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. So now for row 2 I'll knit all the stitches. So this completes row 2. So for row 3 I'll turn my work around. Then I'll repeat row 1. So I'll purl 1, then I'll knit 3. Purl 1, knit 3. Purl 1, knit 3. Purl 1. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I'll turn my work around and then I'll repeat row 2. So I'll knit all the stitches throughout row 4. So we repeat rows 1 and 2 until we have 13 rows in total. As you can see, our work is very stretchy because the yarn that we're using is quite thick and the knitting needles are in a large size. So now for row 14 I will knit 1, then I will purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and purl 1. So I'll continue knitting 1 and purling 1 throughout row 14. So this completes row 14. Now for row 15, I'll turn my work around, and then I will purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. So I'll continue to knit 1 and purl 1 throughout row 15. For row 16, I'll turn my work around, and then I will knit 1, then purl 1, knit 1, then purl 1. So I'll continue to knit 1 and purl 1 throughout row 16. And this completes row 16. Now for row 17, I'll turn my work around. Then I'll start by purling 1, then knitting 1. So purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, then knit 1. So purl 1 and knit 1 throughout row 17. So this completes row 17. Now for row 18, I'll turn my work around, and then I will knit 1 and purl 1, knit 1, then purl 1. So I'll continue knitting 1 and purling 1 throughout row 18. Now for row 19, I'll turn my work around. So I'll start by purling 1, then knitting 1, purling 1, then knitting 1. So I'll continue to purl 1 and knit 1 throughout row 19. So this completes row 19. And now I'll leave a medium-sized tail, and with the yarn needle I'll start to finish off my work. So you see where our last stitch is? So our needle is attached to this yarn on the left. And now I'll insert my needle through the stitches on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So I'll pull through this yarn just like this. And now one more time I'll insert my needle through these stitches, like clockwise. Now I'll turn my slipper inside out, just like that, and I'll join these two sides together up to the first row of knitting. Now I'll fold my slipper in half just like that, and then I'll join these two sides together. I'll turn my work inside out, and this is how our slipper looks. And this is how our slipper looks. If you want, you can add something like a flower or a bowl, something like of that sort there. But I like it just the way it is. The yarn that I use is very thick, so they look kind of chunky, but I think they'll be super warm. I really like those. They're so comfortable. And honestly, I have to say, they are my favorite from all the slippers I made. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.